Classic shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for the love of my other video of why I eat in a day. I didn't expect it to get so much love and so much encouragement, so I'm doing another one. I'm so sorry that it's late, but I hope it helps you guys. So starting off, I have decided to stop using fluoride toothpaste, so I'm just going to use a fluoride-free toothpaste with a bit of baking soda for whiteness for my teeth and brush my teeth. I'm trying my best to use more natural products when it comes to everything, my body care, my skincare, my food, and I'm trying to stay away from chemicals. Obviously, I'm not perfect, but I'm doing my best. Here I'm just taking a bath with this fragrance-free shower gel, and then I'm going to start with my skincare. So I've stopped using antiperspirants and deodorants. So what I use now is lime juice. I squeeze lime juice into these little bottles that I got from Poundland, and it's just a more natural way to keep me fresher for longer without using harsh products on my skin. It also decreases the risk of cysts and any cancerous lumps around my armpit, and it also helps lighten up my armpit over time, which I love. So I'm going to continue using lime juice. Honestly guys, you would not smell. If you don't like the idea of buying lime, I tried this brand and they're really good for natural deodorants as well, so definitely check them out. Next, I'm moisturizing my skin with shea butter. This brand is a brand called Ava Estelle. I bought it and their stuff works really well. Normally I do make my own shea butter cream. Obviously it doesn't have any like harsh chemicals. Shea butter is a natural skin softener which is deeply moisturizing, so I really encourage it. It's also anti-inflammatory as well and helps brighten hyperpigmentation over time. So I'm gonna go into my breakfast. To start the day, I like to break my fast with fruits as they just help with my digestion over the course of the day, and it's just a way to boost up your immune system and start your body working in the morning without heavy items in your stomach. So my fruit of choice today are oranges. So oranges are a great source of fiber. They also are quite rich in vitamin C and folate. They boost heart health, improve vision over time, fight against cancer, viral infections. They also relieve constipation, protect your skin, keep your bones and your teeth strong, lower cholesterol levels, and prevent kidney stones over time. So they are such a good fruit for all-round health. And of course, they're tasty and refreshing first thing in the morning. So I just juice them and put them into this glass bottle. I'll leave a link below if you're wondering where I got it from. And yeah, I just enjoy my brekkie whilst watching something in the morning. So because I want to gain lean muscle, I've started eating a little bit more carbs and some cooked food here and there, nothing too crazy. So today after my breakfast for brunch, I'm just gonna have some oats. I'm using gluten-free organic oats, peanut butter, manuka honey, nutmeg, cinnamon, and what else did I put in there? Okay, that was it. And I just stirred it up and put it in the microwave for a few minutes. If you guys didn't know, porridge is very rich in fiber and protein is obviously going to help sustain my muscles when I get those gains. Raspberries contain 40% vitamin C and are rich in vitamin A as well. As well as that, they are proven to improve immune system health. They also prevent cancer and help maintain healthy skin. So yeah, a good protein packed brunch for brunch. Few hours later, it's time to go to the gym. Guys, this day was so funny because I tried to film my gym routine for you guys and you guys are going to see what happened next, but here I'm just showing you what I take with me to the gym. So I have my little foam thing for my hip thrusts and other machines. I take a towel for when I sweat, obviously some water for hydration, some resistance bands that I got from Amazon. What next? I think I have some gloves. Yeah, some gloves so my hands don't get, manly from lifting. And these little ankle straps for when I do kickbacks. So I had all intention of filming at the gym. I was like, yeah, I'm going to show you guys my routine. It's going to be so good. The first thing I did when I got to the gym, I normally warm up with the treadmill. So I popped up my camera on the little stand and instantly it fell and broke. So that was fantastic. That was so annoying. Literally my lens broke, everything just went down in smithereens. I was just like, do you know what, I'm not risking it again. I bought a new camera, got insurance, and I was like, yeah, I don't think I'm going to take this one to the gym. So maybe I'll show you guys another gym video another time. But because I'm in a calorie surplus, a slight calorie surplus, again, like I said, I'm trying to get in more carbs. So today I'm making like a sweet potato mushroom wrap. I'll show you how I make it, but it tastes so good. I'm trying to put as much protein in my diet as possible, and also of course fiber and carbs, and sweet potato has all those three ingredients, very rich in those three things. It's also rich in vitamin D and B6. It's proven to improve digestion and it's great source of iron. So if you suffer from anemia, definitely get in greens and try some sweet potato as well for some energy. Here I'm just chopping up the lime for later and the bell pepper for later. I'm going to quickly show you how I make my guac. Of course, the main ingredient for guac is avocados, and avocados are great to lower cholesterol. So if you're looking to lower down your cholesterol levels, definitely try some avocados. They help prevent muscular contractions. So if you're going to the gym and suffer from like muscle pain and stuff, definitely try some avocados. So here I'm going to make my little mix for my avocado. I'm putting in some tomatoes, some parsley, some garlic and onions, and I'm going to blend that in. This is just going to go in with the mashed avocados. So I add that into the mashed avocados and it tastes so good, so rich in flavor. Next, I'm adding in some lime juice for the guac and some pink Himalayan salt for some taste. And because I'm Nigerian and because I'm Yoruba, I love spicy food. So I have to add in some black pepper. I'm going to add in some black pepper in a bit. And sometimes I do add in like other stuff like, I don't know, like curry. It's really random, whatever I feel like. But it definitely has to be a little bit spicy because I love spicy food. So I'm going to put that in the fridge for later and then prepare my sweet potatoes. So I'm just going to season them a bit because I have to have a bit of flavor. I'm using black pepper, some red pepper, some curry, and some other stuff. I'm just going to season that and then put it in the oven. It's going to cook for maybe about 30 to 40 minutes until it gets really soft. And in that same bowl, I'm just going to get some mushrooms and season them as well. And then I'm going to fry them with a bit of olive oil. I know this is obviously like a little bit, it's not the healthiest, but like I said, I'm trying to get more carby foods into my diet because I want to gain muscle and sustain some muscle. So I'm going to spread my romaine lettuce on my plate and then add my bell peppers. Bell peppers are water-based and a great source of vitamin C. And then I'm going to add my guac mix into the bell peppers. So this is kind of like a taco. So add my guac mix, and then once my mushrooms are ready, I'm gonna add my mushrooms into the mix as well. And when I tell you guys, this tastes so good. Like, this is amazing. Like, I would recommend you to definitely try this. And I'm going to have my green juice on the side. If you haven't seen my video on how I make my juices, I'll definitely check that out as well. I'm going to munch away. This is a very heavy lunch and my green juice is normally my dinner. I don't eat after 7 p.m. So after my green juice, I'm done for the day. And when I tell you this is so filling, you're going to be so full. It's jam-packed in flavor and jam-packed in everything good for you. Here's the wrap with the sweet potatoes. It also bangs, literally it bangs so much with the sweet potatoes. Oh my goodness. You guys need to try it. You guys need to try it. But yeah, that is pretty much my dinner, well, full lunch / dinner. I just drink my green juice for the rest of the day. And that's pretty much what I eat during the day. That's a typical day of my eating. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for the love on the other video. If you guys want more of this, I'll try my best to make them, but definitely leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. See you guys soon in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.